Hi guys, I have a 2011 Volkswagen Passat. It has a starting problem. I had a customer who's just brought the car into the garage. Basically, he has a fault. The car will start for a couple of seconds and it will switch back off. I'm just gonna slot the key into the ignition. Just to let you know, this is the key for this vehicle. I'm just putting it into the slot. I'm just gonna start it now. So basically it will start for a couple of seconds, then it will switch back off. You got the glow plug light flashing, you got the steering light flashing, and then also you got the brake light flashing. I'm just going to show you the start it again one more time. It will start for a couple of seconds and it will switch back off. I had a diagnostic machine put onto the vehicle and it has gave me 2 fault codes as I speak. Let's come back with these 2 codes. When I clear these codes, the only code stays on the ECU is engine control module ECM locked. I tried to clear it, but I don't know how to unlock the ECM. Can anybody help me how to do that, or anyone can tell me how the process is? And that would be great. This is the problem I have. So basically the car won't start. Couple of seconds stays on and it switches back off. If anybody can help me with this problem, that would be great. I will appreciate that. Thank you for your help, and I hope somebody gets back to me. Thank you.